Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining me for Feature Friday. I'm Kristy Logan with Westwind Honda, and today we are going to go over key fob tricks and tips. These features will work on the Civic, the Accord, the CR-V, the Passport, the Pilot, the Ridgeline, and the Odyssey. Today we are going to demonstrate it on a 2022 Pilot Trail Sport. Proximity entry, super easy. Key fob is closed. There's a sensor in this back part that notifies the key. You can have this set to unlock just the driver's door or all 5 of your doors. On your key fob here, you will see the lock, unlock, the 3/4 turn, and the trunk. So auto start, super easy, one lock on, hold the 3/4 thing for a couple seconds. These lights will flash. They'll let you know when the car is started. Nice thing about the key fob as well is that if you re-hold the circle, you can shut it off. Your auto start also does wonderful features for your car. It will heat or cool your car to 22 degrees, doesn't matter what time of the year it is. If it is below 7 degrees, it will turn on your heated seats and your heated steering wheel if your trim level comes with those features. If it is at 0 degrees, these heat strips come into play all down the side, down through the front, and they will turn those on so there's no ice buildup or anything for you. Now we're off to the trick part of the video. So again, we're gonna grab the key fob on the days where it is, plus 30. You wanna air that car out before you get in it so it's not hot. We are gonna unlock once, unlock and hold. It's going to drop all the windows and open the sunroof. Now, unfortunately, you can't put the windows back up by double unlocking it. So there's a latch on the back of the key fob. So we're just gonna unlock it. We're gonna take the key out, slide it in the door. We're gonna lock it once. On the second lock, we're gonna hold it and it's gonna roll all the windows back up for you. On a side note, if you're the proud owner of a 2022 Honda Civic, you can disable this feature. If you'd like to know how to do that, just comment in below and we'll do a video on that for you guys as well. Thank you everybody for joining me for Feature Friday. I've been Kristy Logan with Westwind Honda. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comments below. Always remember, love what you drive.